Tony from Ashburton TV here. Today we're at the Plains Museum 50th anniversary and we're with Lorraine and Mike. Now Lorraine, what's your role at the Plains?
Chairperson, current chairperson.
All right, can you give us a wee bit of an overview of what's actually happening today, about the celebrations and the 50 years?
Sure thing. So yesterday and today we are celebrating the 50th anniversary since our organisation opened in 1973. So we have all 3 steam locos in steam, plus rail car as well. So it's just a golden opportunity to celebrate the work of all the founding.
And there's lots of other activities happening around OC as well.
There is loads. Yep, we've got visiting stationary engine folk, and also up in our paddock we've got a machinery display area, traction engines, there's chaff cutting, threshing mill.
Bit of everything. Mike, I've heard a rumour that you might have been here right at the start. Can you tell us about the formation and what was involved in getting everything here?
Well, they called a public meeting in 1970 because the Mount Somers line was closed and they were pulling it up, as to get the A engine, which is A Dub's engine up there, and they were going to hope to run it on the portion of the line, and that's what sort of started it off. And there was a Railway and Preservation Society, or the Ashburton Railway and Preservation Society was formed, and it also took in rural history as well, and it's just started from that.
So the whole thing's just rolled on and got bigger and bigger through the years, and to be fair, you've been here to see a lot of it.
Yeah, I'm one of the foundation members. I'm 70 now. I was 18 I think when it was formed.
Right, we're at the fire station part of the Plains with Ian Moore. Now, Ian, what year did you guys start over here at the Plains?
Time when the first concrete was poured was October 1978. Most of us as what we call the grey watch today have only been in the later years.
So whose big idea was it for the Fire Preservation Society to actually make themselves part of the whole Plains operation?
Well, I'm not sure about that. That would have been in the Ashburton Fire Brigade. The early guys in there, the older ones, they had the forethought to save all the old machinery, and they needed somewhere to put it. So this was a classic place to put it with all the other old stuff that's been around.
So that's pretty much what's on display here today is all the hard work and the restoration that's been done all through those years, even before when you guys arrived over here.
Yes, but we've added to it a lot as well. The idea of the museum is all the trucks that are in here have been through the Ashburton Fire Station, so that's quite unique that they can do that, and where they haven't been able to get the original, they've got a look-alike.